Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to a new vlog. So this vlog is going to be super exciting because I'm going to bring you with me on my class trip to Amsterdam. Woo! And I'm not sure, everyone probably doesn't want to be filmed on my trip, but I'm just going to be trying to be a little bit discreet. So it's going to be super fun. So yesterday I packed my big bag because we're only going for 4 days. We're going Monday to Thursday, but we all got to bring a big bag, so packed it yesterday. I also finished editing and uploaded 2 videos, so I don't have to worry about that. And now I made a nice healthy smoothie with spirulina in it, which is like a superfood kind of energizer thing. And now I'm just doing my makeup. The annoying thing about today is that we've still got a lesson to go to. We've got religion, but I mean that's fine because I like that lesson. So yeah, but that just meant we need to get up really early. It's about 7 o'clock right now, but I'm so excited, so yeah, stay tuned. Also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell notification button down below so you won't miss a single upload. I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday. I haven't even weighed my bag. I need to do that. Taking Dusk by Glossier. I love Glossier's blushes. Okay, this one is a bit dark for my skin tone right now, but they're always so blendable, so that's fine. Oh wow, it looks like I'm sunburnt because that's how pale I am. Wait, let me turn the exposure down so you can see. You can see a bit better now. It looks crazy. Or it just looks like a natural blush actually. I like that. I love listening to music in the morning to get me going. And I'm going to use Moonstone by Glossier. It's their highlighter. Just put some on my brow bone as well. Blend that into my skin so it's a bit more seamless. And then I like going falling and out of old pose. This is my idea of fun. Oh, I've got black on my skin. There we go. I'm in the car now and I'm waiting for Mum because we're going to drive at the same time. Here she comes. So we're going to head to school now. I'm just wearing my new jean jacket from Junkyard, my top that I got from Amy, like a family tree necklace I got from Dad, and then my culottes from Topshop. But I got to go now, so bye guys, I love you. It's too hectic. It's like 8 AM morning traffic now, so I don't want to do a drive with me because I'll probably crash and die, but bye. At our hotel and it's really nice. We've got 2 windows with a lovely view. This is my bed. I've got bed there. I've got beds there. And here. This, a big mirror. And we've got 2 toilets, which is amazing. To find some food right now.
Jag tror du skulle säga din outfit.
Jaha, nej. Om din look ska jag inte prata.
Vänta, kan du ingenting eller?
The birds are chirping.
So am I. Jag tror du verkligen var det var en jävla happy
Matter, where's your outfit from then?
Nelly. Zara. Zara. Naked.
Ooh.
Primark.
And your outfit?
I have no
H&M?
H&M. Vans and Calvin Klein.
Oh,
I think.
Love
yes,
that. she's beauty, she's grace. She's sitting on my face. Good morning everybody, so today is our first proper day. It is Tuesday today and the sun is shining so beautiful. Okay, that thing's really ugly, but I'm wearing these from Junkyard. This top from Zara that I got in my last vlog. To the Foam Museum now. I think it's a photography and film museum. You probably can't hear me very well right now.
Smells like urine.
It smells like pee.
Det gör det.
Fetish. Nej. Bottle flip challenge. Here we go. Well, no one has succeeded yet. No one. Oh. Sugar.
Du ska köra den så.
Let me do it.
Du ska köra och landa på handen så. Alltså...
Det där kommer ju all... Får jag ha med? We're at a restaurant waiting for our food. First impression. Thank you.
Pop quiz. Is it ananas or ananas? No, that's wrong.
A queen who knows her English grammar.
Everybody, your queen is not who you think she is.
I've been living in this lie.
Ew, your hand is very cold. Introduction.
Yeah.
Hello.
Only as a jealous bitch.
What's your name?
Amelia.
And your Instagram?
Era Amelia.
And your Instagram?
Martha Louisa. Wait. Martha Louisa Lovisa. Sorry up guys.
Good morning everybody. It is Tuesday. No, it's Wednesday today. We're going home tomorrow, sadly. But it's going to be 24 degrees today, which is like insane. It's already like 15 degrees outside. And we're going on a pancake boat, which is going to be really nice. And we're also going to a, oh, people in the background. We're also going to a place called Nord, which is supposed to be a really nice place in Amsterdam. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm wearing this dress just because it's going to be so warm outside. This is our view. Beautiful. We're having breakfast in Vondelpark.